Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two carbon monoxide alarms. So the one on the left, this is a carbon monoxide and a gas alarm that you can plug in or you can set on a stand with this cord. Over here, this is just a carbon monoxide alarm with a digital readout. Now both of them do have a digital readout, but this is battery powered only. So you're going to put, it comes with 3 AAA batteries. Put the batteries in. You could set this on the table, mount it on the wall. This has a 10-year lifespan. So after 10 years, it's going to say the word end. You have to get rid of it. Over here, this is a 7-year lifespan. So after 7 years, it'll say the word end. You need to get rid of it. This does have a battery backup also. And I'm going to show you how you store this cable, how it comes. But there's the 9-volt battery. It does come with that 9-volt battery. You have to install it. It goes right there. And so it's not supposed to be powered all the time with the 9-volt battery. That's just in case you lose power. It's supposed to be plugged in all the time. And again, when it's plugged in all the time, you're going to have a readout of the carbon monoxide. Right now we're reading 0, and the little red dot is flashing. That means we have a normal operation. Now the test is really loud on this one. The test on this one is not super loud, but I got to put hearing protection on when I test this one. And I'll go over that, but let's go ahead and store this. So you probably may not, you could put this again right beside your bed. You could even put this one right beside your bed too. But the hardest part on this one is sliding these down and getting this thing off. And then you can, because I'm going to show you how it comes out of the box. Now out of the box, that cable is nicely stored. And then this plug is just these little tabs here, and it comes out. And I could, if I needed to mount it this way too, I could. There's a little cutout there for it too. But this is how it comes out of the box. But you do have to take this cover off, and that can be a little tricky. Put that little ear in, slide it up. That's probably the hardest part, is getting, yeah. I think it has to do with something over here. Yeah, I've got the battery in, put this in. Yeah, there, slide it up. Now, I can just plug this into an outlet like this. It could just be suspended from an outlet. When it's powered by battery only, you don't see a carbon monoxide reading. You just see the real red dot flashing. So this is supposed to be plugged in all the time with battery backup only. Again, this one's battery, the batteries are powering it all the time. So let's do a test on this one, and then we'll do that one. Okay, so you simply just press the test button. There. 4 quick beeps and a 5-second pause. That's going to be the end of the test. And you'll see all 8s, and then it's going to go back to reading. All right, this is back to normal reading, and you'll get a green light that flashes once every 60 seconds. Over here, you don't have a green light, you got a little red dot that's flashing. And it's got a current readout because I got it plugged in. Now let's do a test. It's really loud, so be careful. That's the gas indicator beeps. They're long beeps. Now the 4 beeps followed by 218, beep, 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 beep. That's a carbon monoxide alarm. So the first beeps you heard were gas, followed by the word gas. And then the second one was testing the carbon monoxide. You would see a readout of the carbon monoxide level followed by 4 quick beeps. Beep, 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 beep. And now it's showing all 8s. That lasts a little bit, and then it'll go back to reading 0. That means it passed the test. It's operating normally. That little red light is flashing, and I'm showing a 0. Now, both of them will say the word LB when your battery gets low. Over here, this will say LB when it's your battery's getting low also, and it'll say end when you have an end of life after 10 years. When you first put the batteries in, you should put the month and 10 years from this year. That way you know when this needs to be replaced. And this has 7 years. You should put the month and 7 years. And on the side here, it does give you what the beeps mean. And you'll see the word error, ERR, with an audible beep every 30 seconds. That means the unit is bad, needs to be replaced. End of life says in, followed by 2 beeps every 30 seconds. Now the low battery alarm, it'll say LB, and it'll chirp, beep every 15 seconds. Or the battery is low or has been removed. So make sure it does have to have a battery in it to operate. Now the CO concentration display, followed by 4 quick beeps, 5 seconds off. That means you're in alarm. Propane or methane, it'll say the word gas, and you get those continuous half-second on audible beeps, half-second on. So it's a really long, like not really long, but it's a half-second beep, you know, and then off, then beep. So it's a little bit of a different alarm. That's what you heard first. When you press the test button, that's the gas, and then the quick beeps, the 4 quick beeps, that's a carbon monoxide detection. Now both of them do have a peak button. You can press that. It'll show you what the peak level of the carbon monoxide was. Size-wise, we can see there's quite a bit of difference. You know, this one's 6 1/4 by 4 1/2, sticks out from the wall about 2 inches. This one I like. I really like this one for its portability. 1 1/2. You can just mount it anywhere. You don't have to have a plug-in. 4 3/4, sticks out from the wall about 1 1/2. Up down's about 2 3/4. And I like having the display so that it's got a little flashing dot. You can kind of recognize, okay, it's working, and then you get the green beep every 60 seconds, or green flash. This one, different mounting options, but it does have to be plugged in, but I could mount this on my desk. And the display is easier to see in the night, where this one would be a little harder to see in the night. And this one on the left that you plug in is a lot louder than the battery operated one. So again, I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.